morning, my dear students. This video is for class 8th, and in this video we will discuss our exercise 2.2. So let's begin with the question number 1. What he said, if you subtract if you subtract half from a number, yani 1 by 2 from a number, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. But he said that if you subtract minus 1 by 2 and multiply, let the number from which you are subtracting 1 by 2 is x. Okay, then he said if you subtract 1 by 2 from that x and then multiply it by 1 by 2, then you will get 1 by 8. Okay, so what will be the number? You have to find out that what is the number. So let the number be x, and according to question we know that we will subtract 1 by 2 from that number, and when we subtract, then the whole result will be, after subtracting 1 by 2 from that number, we will multiply it by 1 by 2. Okay, and then the whole result will comes out 1 by 8. So that's why the equation will become 1 by 2 in the bracket x minus 1 by 2 and is equal to 1 by 8. So this is the result. Now solving this, we will get, though that this 2 is in division, so here it comes into multiplication, that's why it becomes 2 by 8. Now you solve, it will become 1 by 4. In the next step, you see x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. In the next step, 1 by 4, this minus 1 by 2 comes here, becomes plus 1 by 2. After taking LCM of these two, you will get 4, and now dividing this 4 by 4, you will get 1, and 1 is multiplied in the numerator, so you here your answer comes out 1. So plus sign is there. Now dividing 4 by 2, you will get 2 as your answer. Multiply 2 to this 1, you will get 2 here, so it becomes 2 plus 1, 3 by 4 it becomes. So the number that is 3 by 4. So you will write that, hence the required number is 3 by 4. So this is question number 1. Next question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Okay, rectangular swimming pool, and the perimeter of that swimming pool is 154 meter. We know that rectangular perimeter, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? It is twice of length plus breadth. Before, you have to learn all the formulas. Perimeter of rectangle is this, twice of length plus breadth, and area is length into breadth. Okay, perimeter is the sum of the boundary, this whole boundary. Okay, so its length is, see, its length is 2 meter more than the twice of its breadth. Length is 2 meter more than the twice of the breadth. Okay, what are the length and the breadth? You have to find out the length and breadth. So what is given that, so what we have to find, length and breadth. So let us take, let breadth of the pool be x meter. Okay, and the length of the pool is given, that is 2 meter more than the twice of its breadth. So what you will do, breadth twice of breadth will become 2 into x, and 2 meter more, so that will become length of the pool twice and 2 more. So this is the length of the pool. Now perimeter, we know that the formula for the perimeter is twice of length plus breadth. So it will, after putting values in it, you get, the perimeter is 154 twice, formula is twice of length plus breadth is equal to, I am writing is equal to here, is equal to perimeter. Perimeter is 154. Now twice is here. Length is 2x plus 2 and breadth is x. So after putting values, you will get this 2 comes out in the, this 2 is comes out in the division. So here remaining expression 2x plus 2 plus x. Now it will, if you cancel out these, you will get 77, and it will become 2x plus x is equal to 3x, and this 2 as it is. Next is 77 minus 2, this plus 2 here comes out to be minus 2, and here comes 3x. So it will become 75 is equal to 3x. Now 3 is in multiplication, so here when it comes to the left hand side, it will become in the division. So after solving it, you will get x is equal to 25. So you know that it is the breadth of the pool. Breadth of the pool is 25 meter, and you can putting the value of x here, you will able to find out the length. So when you put the value, you will get 52 meter is the length of the pool, and the breadth of the, so you know the both length and breadth of the pool. Okay, next move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Now comes isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is the triangle in which the two sides of the triangle are equal. Let us take these two sides are equal. This is known as isosceles triangle. Now we say that the base of this base, this is the base of the triangle is 4 by 3. Okay, so the parameter of the triangle is 4 and 2 by 15. What is the length of either of the remaining equal side? You have to find out the length of the side. So you know that this is isosceles triangle in which I am again drawing. This is isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. Okay, these are the two equal sides. This sign denotes that these two sides are equal. Okay, now this is taken as side, this is taken as base, and base is given, that is 4 by 3. Okay, and now what he said that you have to find out the other two sides of this, and parameter is also given. Parameter means the sum of all the three sides, the sum of all the three sides, this side and this side. Sum of all the three sides is given to you, and one side is given, you have to find out these two. So let us take this side is x. If this is x, you know that these two sides are equal, so therefore this side is also x. You know that parameter is given, it means this sum of the three sides is given, it means x plus this side 4 by 3 is equal to the parameter which is given. Okay, so let's move to the solution. Let each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle be x centimeter. Okay, equal sides are x centimeter. You know that parameter of the triangle is equal to sum of all the three sides, and parameter is 4 and 2 by 15, and this is equal to sum of the three sides. Okay, base is 4 by 3 and other two sides are x. Okay, these two sides are x and this is 4 by 3. So next, if you change this mixed fraction into that, you will get 15 into 4 and plus 2. 15 into 4 60, plus 2 62 by 15. This 4 by 3 as it is, this x and x will become 2x. Okay, next is this 4 by 3 comes here in the minus, because here it is in addition, so here it will change into subtraction. Here remaining 2x. So after taking LCM and solve this, you will get 62 minus 20 upon 15 is equal to 2x. Now this if you subtract, you will get 42 by 15 is equal to 2x. Now this 2 is in the question, expression is 42 is upon 15 is equal to 2x. So this 2 is in multiplication, here it comes out into division in the next step. So you see it comes out into division. After solving, you will get x is equal to 7 by 5. So you know that you can also write it in the this form. So the x is equal to 7 by 5, you know that this side becomes 7 by 5. Similarly, this side becomes 7 by 5, and it is also given to you. So you calculate, you will able to calculate the other two sides. So you will write, hence each equal sides of an isosceles triangle is this. Okay. Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. Two numbers are given to you and the sum of these two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. If one, you have to given that two numbers, sum of the two numbers is 15. Let us take one number is x, and what is said that the other number is 15 exceeds the previous, so you will add 15 to this, so it will first number, second number, and sum of sum of these two numbers is given to you, this and this. If you add these two, it is given to you, so you will have to find the numbers. So let's move to the solution. Sum of two numbers is 95. Let the first number be x, then another number be x plus 15. Now according to question, the sum of these two is 95. So sum of these two number x and x plus 15. So this will be the sum. Now adding these two, you will get 2x plus 15. In the next step, this 15 comes out here. and you will get 2x is equal to 80. Now this 2 is in comes out in division, and x is equal to 40. So you know that your first number is 40, and after putting the value of x in the second, x plus 15, it means 40 plus 15, it means 55 will be your next number. So first number is 40, and putting the value of x in the second, you will get 55. So you will able to find out the two numbers. Next question is question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Whenever you have to given in ratio, so you will take that ratio in the variables x. So what we will do, let the two numbers be, ratio is 5:3. Okay, so let the two numbers be 5x and 3x. So we will write that the two numbers be 5x and 3x. Now they both the numbers are differ by 18. So the difference between these two numbers is 18. So what we will do, now number is 5x and 3x, we have taken these two numbers, so difference between these two numbers is 18. We will write that 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. According to question, 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. So after solving, you will get 2x is equal to 18, and again solve, you will get x is equal to 9. Hence first number is, putting the value of x in 5x, you will get 5 into 9 45, and putting in the value of x in the second number, that is 3x, so you will get 3 into 9 27 will be your answer. So that's all about the question number 5. Next question is question number 6. Three consecutive. Consecutive means that numbers come into the continuity, like 1, 1. After 1 there comes 2, and after 2 there comes 3, after 3 there comes 4. So these are consecutive numbers. So it is given that three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? You have to tell that what are these integers. And so first we will take that the three consecutive integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now according to question, these are added up to 51. So we will add these three up to whenever our result comes 51. So we will add these three integers. X, first integer is x, another one is x plus 1, another one is x plus 2. Adding these three integers, we will get 51. So solving this, we get 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. Now this 3 comes out here in subtraction, so it will become 3x is equal to 48. Solving it, we will get x is equal to 16. We will get x is equal to 16. Now the first integer is, we see that the first integer is 16, and the second in putting the values of x, we will get next is x plus 1. So x plus 1, putting the value of x is 16 here, 16 plus 1 becomes 17, and the putting value of x is equal to 16 in the third integer, that is x plus 2. Putting x is equal to 16 here, you will get 18. So 16, 17, 13 are the three integers. The sum of these three will become 51. Okay, so now the next question is the sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Okay, if I ask that multiples of 2 will become 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So these are the multiples of 2. Similarly, you have to uh, see in this question that there are the consecutive multiples of 8 is 8 triple 8. Find the multiples. You have to find out that multiples, the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. So consecutive term is used, so therefore you will take three multiple as x plus 8 and x plus 16. If I ask that consecutive multiples of 2, so what will you will write, x plus 2 and x plus 4, because you know that the multiples of consecutive multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, like this. If you put x, now next number comes when you add 2 to the previous number. Next number comes when you add 2 to the previous number. Next number comes when you add 2 to the previous number. Therefore it is, and it becomes the multiples of 2. Similarly, you can able to find out the multiples of 8. If you add 8 to the previous number, you will get the next multiple. Similarly, so let us take the three consecutive multiples of 8 are x plus 8 and x plus 16. According to question, these three are added and your result will be triple eight. Okay, now solving this, you will get 3x plus 24 is equal to 888. Solving this, you will get 3x is equal to 864, and dividing 3 by 3, you will get x is equal to 288. So one number is 288, another one, first multiple is 288, another one is, you will add 8 to the number, you will get 296. Now third one is, you will add 8 to the second, or you can say you will add 16 to the first number, so you will get 16 to the first number, you will get 304. So these are the three multiple: 288, 288, 296 and 304. These three are the multiples of 8. Next question is question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4, three consecutive integers are taken and they are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. It means respectively means first number is multiplied by 2 and then second number is multiplied by 3 and the third number is multiplied by 4. Okay, they add up to 74 and these three numbers are added up to 74. Like in the previous question, they are added up to 51. Okay, here they are added up to 74. Find these numbers, you have to find out the numbers. So what we will do, let us take the three numbers are three consecutive integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now, according to the question, first number is multiplied by 2. So that's why it will become, let's see that three numbers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now first number is multiplied by 2. So it will become 2x. Now the second number is multiplied by 3. So if you multiply x plus 1 by 3, 3 is multiplied by x plus 1. Next number is x plus 2 and multiply it by 4. So you will write 4 and in the bracket x plus 2. Now in the question it is given that if these three are added, you will get 74. Okay, so these three are added and you will it according to question, these three are added and you will get 74 as your answer. So you will write you will solve that expression and it will give you 9x plus 11 is equal to 74. After solving it, you will get x is equal to 7. So here first integer is 7, another one is x plus 1, it means 7 plus 1, x plus 1, putting the value of x which is 7 here, so it will become 7 plus 1 8. Next is x plus 2, third integer is x plus 2 and x is 7, x plus 2 and x is 7, so putting 7 here you will get 9. So this will be your result. So that's all about exercise 2.1. We have done in this video question number 1 to 8. Next questions we will do in another video. Thank you.